This question. In the final term at B school, a student has the compulsory subject consumer behavior and is further allowed to take a maximum of 3 elective subjects out of distribution management, rural management and sales management. So it's a final term at B school. A student has to compulsorily choose this subject CD, consumer behavior, and it is further allowed to take a maximum of 3 electives. He can have only 1 elective or 2 electives or all 3 electives. Now it is given that out of every 4 students studying consumer behavior, 3 students are studying DM. What does this line mean? Out of every 4 students studying CV, all the students are studying CV, right? So out of every 4 students, so out of studying this consumer behavior, so it is telling me that out of in all the students, out of every 4, there are 3 students studying this 1 elective DM. Out of every 3 students studying CV, 2 students are studying RM. So out of the total student, every 3 students, on every 3 students, 2 students are studying RM, and out of every 5 students that are studying CV, 4 students are studying SM, the third elective. So what is the minimum percentage of class that took all the 3 elective subjects? So let's just assume the total number of students that would be the students that would be equal to the students studying CV. I'm assuming that total number of students be the multiple of these 3 values: 4 student, 3 student and 5 student. 5, 4 and 3, it would be 60 multiple. So I'm assuming the total number of students or the students, this subjects, for all the students this subject is compulsory, so total number of students will be studying this subject. So I'm assuming the total number of students as 60x, right? Multiple. Why I am choosing this multiple? Because it is given the number of students choosing these electives is given with respect to all the number of students studying this compulsory subjects. So if total number of students are 60x, it is given that out of every 4, 3 are studying DM. So student studying DM would be, out of every 4, 3 are studying DM. It means that DM out of total, the ratio of students studying CV and DM would be 3/4. Is giving out of every 3 students, 2 students are studying RM. So students studying RM, out of every student which is studying CV, the ratio given as 2:3. And third one is out of every 5 students studying SM. So SM out of CV would be 4/5. Now I've assumed the total number of students who studies this subject CV as 60x. If this 4 is 60, then this 3 would be 45x. So that this ratio becomes 3/4. So if this is 60, this 3 will become 45x. Now if this 3 is 60x, because total students are 60x, this 2 part would be how much? 40x. If this is 60x, it would be 48x. So number of students studying CV, that is compulsory subject, all number of students are 60x. People or the students studying this subject DM elective, student who choose this elective DM are 45x. Student who chose this RM elective are 40x, and students who chose this elective SM are 48x, right? Now I need to find that what is the minimum percentage of the class that took all the three subjects, that took all these three electives. Total number of students are 60. Now, listen carefully. Listen carefully. I am assuming these three subjects as flags. I'm assuming it as a red flag, it as a yellow flag, and it as a green flag. Right? So total number of students are 60x, and I have to give flags to each of these students. I can give a red flag to one student. Also, I can give a yellow flag to that student. Also, I can give a green flag to that student. So I need to find how many. So the minimum percentage of the class, minimum percentage of the students out of these 60x that took all the three electives, which means the students that have all these three flags. What is the minimum number of that those students, right? So first of all, there are 60 students, 60x. So I can distribute only one flag. So only one flag. I can give only one flag to 60x people. Total number of flags is 40 plus 45, 85 plus 30, 85 plus 30, 135 minus 2, 133. These are total flags. So out of these total flags, I have given one flag each to 60x students. So these 60 students can have only one flag, right? So how many flags are left? I'm writing these are flags left. How many flags are left? 133 x minus 60, that is 73x flags are left. Now think about it, that 60 students, these 60 students have one flag each. How many flags are left? 73x. Now I can distribute one more flag each to all these 60 students. So only two flags. Total number of people which have only two flags, because I have given one more flag to each of these 60 students. So these 60x can have two flags each. How many flags are left now? Because 120 flags are distributed, 120, or out of these 73, 60 are now distributed. How many are left? 13x flags are left. 13x flags are left. And these 13x, I have to distribute these flags to 13 more students. So minimum number of people having all these three flags, that is students having three flags, would be 13x, because I have 13x flags left and I can distribute them among 13 students which are left. So the minimum percentage would be 13x out of total students are 60x. So this percentage would be 13 by 60 into 100, which is 130 by 6. So 6 times 21.6%. So correct answer to this question would be option C.